Don't they have something that pulls you through?
Yes.
So I don't need to worry about
So this
driving.
is the car wash. What is it? Haunted car wash?
Haunted car wash.
In St. George, Utah. That's
Hopefully
cool.
we make it through alive.
Oh my gosh.
Here's the people in the back that are going to die with us.
Say hi, people. Wait, we don't have any lights. There we go. Hi, people.
Nice knowing you. I think I see a head over there that just died.
Okay, I think they're saying to come in, Jer.
Are they? Stay now there. Oop. There's a dead guy sending us, which we cannot see. Car neutral. Cool. We are going through a haunted car wash. The haunted car wash. This,
That's
I don't
cool.
see anything.
Oh my gosh! Holy crap! That just scared the crap out of me. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now I'm just a little bit scared.
No, you just got freaked out. Turn on a light.
No, no. So they don't see us. Oh my gosh! Oh!
Look at the people.
I bet you can really get it up here.
The car's getting clean.
Oh my gosh, do you see that shot?
Right there.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. You're so cool. I've never been in a car wash. Look at this.
There's some more dead things right there. There's a dead guy. What?
Nothing.
Somebody
That
knocking on the door?
guy's freaking me out, dude. Ah! Oh, shit. I did.